Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh. My name is Jasdeep Kaur, also known as Kenny Gogia. I'm the holistic health coach. You might have experienced somewhere in life longing for a message from someone you love deeply. That restless anticipation, that yearning waiting for just a word, just a sign that he or she is thinking of you too. Today's Hukamnama brings us into that very feeling, a soul longing for its divine beloved. Hukamnama by Shri Guru Arjan Dev Ji at tongue 700 of Shri Guru Granth Sahib Ji. Ek Omkar Sadguru Prasad, one universal creator, almighty by the grace of the true Guru. Deho Sandesaro Kahiyo, Priya Kahiyo, which means give me a message from my beloved, tell me, tell me. It's a voice of a soul crying out for connection, for love, for the presence of divine. This is the words of deep spiritual longing. The soul here is like a bride, separated from her beloved and eager to hear some word, some sign that she is not forgotten. It reflects the human condition or search for meaning, for love, for something beyond the material world. Now, the next verse adds to this intense yearning. बिसम्ब पई में बहुबिद सुनते कहुआ सुहागन सहियो रहाऊ. I am wonderstruck, hearing the many reports of him. Tell them to me, O my happy sister soul brides. Here the seeker has heard stories of the divine, how some feel his presence, how some experience his love, and now she also wants to hear more. She wants proof. She wants reassurance. At some point of time, haven't we all felt this way? We hear stories of people who seem to have deep connection with the universe, who live in peace, who find joy in spirituality, and we wonder, why don't I feel it? How do I get there? Just like a lover waits for a message, just like a child waits for the parents' comforting words, our soul waits for that experience of divine connection. But the real question is that this universe is sending us messages from time to time. Are we empowered enough? Have we attained that ability to listen to it? Imagine a mother waiting for a child who has gone to another city. She hears from others, your son is doing great, your son misses you. But is that enough? No. She longs to hear from him directly. Similarly, we hear from saints, scriptures, and people who have experienced the divine. But our soul won't rest until we feel it ourselves. Now, how to experience it ourselves? There was once a seeker who went to a wise saint and said, everyone talks about God's love, but I don't feel it. Now, what should I do? The saint smiled and took him to river. Without warning, he pushed the seeker's head underwater and held it there. The man struggled, gasped, and finally the saint let go. Breathing heavily, the seeker asked, why did you do that? The saint replied, when you want God as desperately as you wanted air, you will find him. The divine beloved is sending messages, but we are too distracted to hear them. It's in the morning breeze, in the stillness of the night, in the kindness of a stranger, in the smile of a child. Every moment, the beloved is calling. The question is, are we paying attention to it? So, my dear friends, let's take a moment. Close your eyes. Ask your soul, what message is waiting for me? Maybe it's already there, but we just haven't paused long enough to listen to it. So today's Hukamnama is a beautiful distinction of being mindful, being present from moment to moment, power of right now. So try to attain the ability to be more mindful. So implement this beautiful Hukamnama in your day-to-day life, and then you share your experiences with me. Take care, be balanced, be happy. Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh.